do Japanese people celebrate the New Year in Japan? 1. Oshogatsu or 正月 preparation. Begin with the lead-up to the New Year, known as Oshogatsu. Explore the meticulous preparations that Japanese families undertake to welcome the coming year, including thorough cleaning osoji of homes, decorating with auspicious symbols, and purchasing special New Year's food. 2. Joya no Kane, 除夜の鐘, ringing of the temple bells. Discuss the traditional Joya no Kane, where Buddhist temples ring their bells 108 times on New Year's Eve to symbolize the 108 human sins. Explore the significance of this ritual and its role in purifying the past year's transgressions. 3. Toshikoshi Soba, 年越し蕎麦. Delve into the New Year's Eve tradition of eating Toshikoshi Soba, buckwheat noodles enjoyed for good luck and longevity. Discuss the symbolism of the long noodles, representing a long, uninterrupted life. 4. Hatsumo Chuyi, first shrine visit. Explore the Hatsumo tradition, where people visit Shinto shrines and Buddhist temples during the first days of the new year to pray for health, happiness, and success. Discuss the festive atmosphere, amikiju, fortune-telling paper strips, and the purchase of omomori amulets. 5. Osoji ryoru osechi ryori. Dive into the culinary delights of osoji ryori, a traditional New Year's feast featuring a variety of beautifully arranged and symbolic dishes. Discuss the meanings behind each dish and the cultural importance of sharing this meal with family. 6. Nangeizhou Yanhezhuang, New Year's greeting cards. Explore the custom of sending Nangeizhou, New Year's greeting cards to friends, family, and colleagues. Discuss the elaborate designs, messages of goodwill, and the joy of receiving these cards as a way to reconnect with loved ones. 7. Emperor's New Year Greeting. Highlight the annual New Year's greeting from the Emperor, a televised event that gathers attention nationwide. Explore the significance of this tradition and its role in fostering a sense of unity and connection among the Japanese people. 8. Mochi making and kagemi mochi junbyo. Discuss the art of making mochi, pounded rice cakes, during the new year. Explore the symbolic kagemi mochi, a stacked arrangement of 2 round mochi cakes topped with a bitter orange date, representing the continuation of family generations. 9. Shishime dance, shizu. Explore regional variations of the shishime dance, a lion dance performed during the new year to ward off evil spirits and bring good fortune. Discuss the vibrant costumes, energetic movements, and the cultural significance of this celebratory dance. 10. Family gatherings and Tosu ritual. Delve into the importance of family gatherings during the new year. Explore the Tosu ritual, where family members drink a special spiced sake known as Tosu to ward off evil spirits and promote good health.